back. It might get a lot easier for patients to buy medical marijuana here in Hawaii, but smoking it, well, that could still get them fired.
KITV4's Paul Drew shows us there's one more obstacle for some, and that's their boss.
Medical marijuana helped Colorado quadriplegic Brandon Coates control seizures and spasms, but it also cost him his job. He failed a random drug test, and today the Colorado Supreme Court sided with his company. Think it couldn't happen in Hawaii? Think again, because it already has.
We have had people come to the Hawaii Civil Rights Commission with claims that their person with a disability who uses medical marijuana tested positive, and they've asked for a reasonable accommodation so that they can continue in employment.
Even though a state law allows patients to use their prescription medical marijuana, individual business owners can still ban it and test for it.
It's going to depend on the kind of employer that they're working for. Certainly some employers will say absolutely not. You can't use it here, and they take the position that it's unlawful.
That counts when you're off duty too.
The use of prescription marijuana, medical marijuana, is not protected.
Some Hawaiian contractors have to follow federal guidelines that include a zero-tolerance drug policy. That can leave some workers dazed and confused.
The law sends a mixed message. On the one hand, it's the use of medical marijuana is not prohibited. But on the other hand, if you test positive, you could face consequences at work.
Those laws aren't going to change anytime soon. A bill requiring Hawaii businesses to make reasonable accommodations for employees went up in smoke this past legislative session. Anna says many workers using medical marijuana get caught in random drug tests. If they're fired or face disciplinary action, workers can still challenge those decisions, which could turn out to be costly for companies.
If it's not affecting their performance and you just happen to catch them, then what's the basis for the decision?
Paul Drews, KITV4 News.
And while there isn't anything to force a company to make accommodations for workers with prescription pot, there also isn't anything stopping them from making their own either. 5 other states currently have laws protecting employees who use medical marijuana.